Hi, it's me, VanEe, and I have all my pages sewn in my 4 little golden book journals. I have my animal friends, the kitten who thought he was a mouse. Look how cute the fabric is on that one. And then I have these little pouches with some things to further embellish. And then I have the friendly book. Love that fabric. I have Wonders of Nature. That will be mine. And then I have the pouches for that. And this is like a fridge bin that I had, I believe, that I had is divided. That I had at one time well, I do have some of my dies in them, but I had an empty one and this fit perfectly. So we're going to, which one am I looking through? I don't know. One that I have fairly full. Let me put my phone up and I will film. All right, so we had just finished in part 2 putting the pages in, and I did even show an example of how, if things don't get sewn in just right, how you can fix that. And yeah, the papers I had I had 3 signatures, and the pages were about 12 to 13, however many you want, and the pages were 7.5 down by 5 3/4 when it's folded, and the 3 signatures. So I'm going to show you the next step after sewing them all in. I added simple pockets and a few little tags, and this could be in a completed little golden book journal, and it could be perfectly fine just like it is simplified. And I'm going to do more series because I will be adding on to mine, and I will have, I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it will be another part to this journal making process. And so we'll go from there. But this could be totally done like it is. So I'm going to do a flip through. So this is just a basic, and you're going to have a few things in there, like a belly band and a pocket. It's a digital. And this was, what, 1981? Got wrapping paper. Here I had scanned a doily I have, so it could be journaled on. And so I have these main things, and I will be adding more onto them. So, like I said, this can totally be finished, but we're gonna add more. Here's another little card here. I think it was pretty framed like that too. Another little, so I'll try to go quickly through here and just show you. So cute. I think most of these illustrators are that Garth Williams. And then so I added a belly band here. It's a digital kit. A few journaling prompts. I love that. Wish I had more of these. I just have a couple left of those. Middle of the first signature. And then the papers that I used, so each journal I used a certain paper pad, and this one I used friendly. So for this journal, I use this paper pad mainly. So when I add on more, I will be using the ephemera pack. But for illustrations, I am showing you a simplified way of making little golden book journals, and this would be totally fine. Here's a card. You could put something behind. You could clip something on here. Here's another pocket. Aren't they so cute? And I just added this in the tuck. Cute paper. Adorable story illustrations. Come down a bit. Plenty of places to journal. Colorful book pages. Writing, so sweet. And then you can stamp. That will be something I will be doing, or stenciling. Here's a greeting card. A little wrapping paper. I think I pieced this together, yeah. And I want to get done with this series. I'm going to do a few little tips and tricks. Okay, here's a little scrappy pad. First signature. Here's the second. Here's another scan of, I didn't ink the edges yet, of the doily that, or what do you call this? Embroidered piece, not doily, that you could write in. Paper bag here. I think there's something in here. Yeah, cute little kitten. Writing paper, coloring book, cute paper pocket with just a few things in it. So this is the simplified version. Easy. So if you're just starting out, or you just want to make a bunch, this is what I would do. Some stationery, pretty digital page. I still have to add pockets and things to the nature, Wonders of Nature one yet. Pretty, so pretty, look at that. And this one. Middle of the signature, a few things in here, like, you know, some stationery, a tag, card here. Envelope. Might throw a couple things in here. This. It's cute. It's got little rainbows in the background, and I added rainbows there. Paper you can journal with. On. Other paper behind it. Adorable paper, tag, card. It's like she's going to go out in this garden here. This is the middle of the signature where you don't have a story because there's only 2 signatures, and I've made 3 signature journals. Here's another one of my scans. Cute little house here. Matching paper. I mean, yeah, this is a digital. Coloring. A few things here. Third signature. So pretty. Oops. Here, so you could tuck something under here too if you'd like. A few more things tucked here. Pretty paper. So once I'm all finished, then I will list them in my Etsy. Continue on the story, adorable story. So if you would like to continue on, you could stop. There's two of them. You could stop now and be totally finished with making yours, or you can continue on and watch how I further embellish. What are some of the blessings of love that God has poured out in your life? That was pretty, because you've got these purple tulips here on that pretty paper. Come, let us rejoice. Doesn't that look fun? I added a digital of this bow card. The little buttons kind of looks like the little polka dots. Tuck this up so you can put something in here. Flashcard. Okay, and then this is a digital of mine too. So pretty with the flowers here. Such pretty paper pads that I got to work with these little golden book journals. Added that. Okay, so that would be an adorable little golden book journal for you to create in a few simple parts. I think that was part 3. Okay, and we are going to embellish it a bit more. It's already pretty full, but I'm going to add on a few things yet. So we will continue on. If you would like to follow along, that will be, I believe, part 4, and continuing on until I guess I decide to stop. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.